And tonight we are checking it out, looking at Montgomery County, the most powerful radar here. Generally a clean sweep. There might be some patchy areas of drizzle, but the main area of rain is pushed off to the northeast and away from us. As you can see, they're tracking up into northeast Ohio, even northeast of Cleveland and in Canton and Akron, most of the rain now. And then some snow as you go to the north end of Lake Erie, and that continues to move away from us. But there will be another system approaching from the west late tonight and tomorrow. May bring us a chance for a few scattered snow flurries. A little bit of light fog tonight with the chillier air arriving, and we're down to 34 now, and a west wind at 9 miles an hour. Wind chill value at 26 with a relative humidity 86%, and just a couple hundredths of an inch of rain since midnight, and that takes our total up to 1.37 now for the month. You can see we're running a deficit there for the year of 1.5 inches, but a surplus on the snow of 13 inches. There's that area of rain tracking away, and then just a few high-level clouds back to the west of us, and then we're seeing some scattered snow flurries as you go out farther west into the northern part of Missouri, and some of that working across the Mississippi River heading into western Illinois. So that will track eastward later tonight, bringing us a chance of a couple of snow flurries. As far as the weather goes tonight, you can see those temperatures cooling off mostly in the mid-30s as we look at our sites around the region, although down to 33 in Bell Fountain. And as we check out our ODOT traffic cam up at I-70 and Snyder Road, one thing to note, look, the north side of the freeway, not too much snow there. Obviously, the south side, you don't get as much of that sunlight, so more snow on the south side of the freeway, but everything looking like it's moving pretty well out there on Interstate 70 with just a little bit of a reduction in some of the visibility. Now, the future track forecast, again, that rain off to the east of us looks like it might be overdoing some of the snow flurries, at least for tonight, but you can see that area back to the west of us that'll swing eastward during the day tomorrow, showing that weakening, but at least it looks like tomorrow, at least a slight chance for some flurries here. And then our next system will be approaching from the northwest. We'll show you that in a moment, and that'll bring us that chance of snow midweek on Wednesday. But our forecast tonight, mostly cloudy, colder, could see some patchy areas of light fog. Winds generally out of the northwest at about 5 to 15 miles an hour, and we'll see those temperatures easing off slowly through the evening, 33 at 9 o'clock. And then once we get to late evening, watch out for the potential for some ice redeveloping into the wee hours of the morning, going below freezing and even reaching the upper 20s by the time we get to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then some flurries possible during the day on Tuesday, not as warm as today, just barely getting above the freezing mark up to about 33. And there's your forecast as we go through the day, upper 20s at 8 o'clock, 30 degrees at noon, and then 32 at 5 p.m. Now, the future track forecast, Wednesday morning looks like an area of snow moving in from the west. We'll see some snow showers during the day. Could even see some small accumulations as the system comes by, and that's with the leading edge of some Arctic air that'll be pushing across the region. So it looks like we will be seeing that snow in the forecast as we roll on into Wednesday and even into Thursday. Some wraparound moisture keeping the chance of snow showers going. So your 7-day planner, snow likely on Wednesday, and there's that cold air arriving for the end of the week for Thursday and into Friday, and then temperatures moderate a little bit over the weekend for the daytime highs, but you know that's expected. We're winding up February and heading into March next week.